Let me show you how most doctors structure money and what's missing. Box number 1 shows you income. Box number 2, investments. And box number 3, most doctors go from income straight to investments. That's it. But what's missing is protection plus control. That's where IUL sits, right in the middle. It becomes a buffer between your income and your investments, protects your money, gives you liquidity, adds tax advantages, and protects your family. So instead of a straight line, you create a system, and systems are what create real wealth.